Bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we went down to the farm to do some scouting for turkey season, and we also cooked up a delicious fish and chips dinner that almost turned into a huge disaster, as you've already seen. But today ended up being a lot of fun, so check it out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna fry up some fish, some catfish, some hush puppies, some fries, and we're just gonna be bloated tomorrow. We came down to the farm to look at more turkey tracks and check the trail cameras. As we were driving down here, we saw 2 turkey tracks on either side of the truck. We got 2 outer tracks and 1 long middle track. That's how you can tell if it's a gobbler or not. And on this side, one right here. There.
Where did he go after this?
This is where he was killed.
This is where he stopped. Got here, was like, nope. Where?
You gonna show him what happened?
Go ahead.
Well, we were driving down the hill to come down to the field here, and I thought I saw a deer shed in the woods as we were driving down. So he slammed on the brakes, started backing up. He was looking out the window to find the deer shed. Yeah. Took the whole cover off, the taillight. So you're supposed to have this clear one on there. Totally smoked it. There's the pieces of it. Yeah, too bad I didn't get that on camera. It's before I started recording.
So funny. I don't remember if I put this on test mode or on. So we'll see. Okay. Put it on.
It's on.
It's on. I got lots and lots and lots of pictures. 400. Probably a lot of leaves shaking though in that storm. Oh, it's a deer tail. It's a squirrel.
That's what we're after right there.
Big game hunting. There we go. He's got a beard too. Look at that.
Sheep. Yes, sir. What time was it?
9 in the morning.
And that's the path you were talking about. You thought they were taken originally from last year.
Crossing the creek where it's easy.
Hey, that's a good sign. 2 days ago.
Same spot they were last year.
So I thought I just heard a turkey from over there where I was just pointing at, and I said something to him, and he said he thought he heard one over there too. So there's a good chance our minds are not playing tricks on us. If 2 people heard it without anybody saying anything to each other.
Video I showed you, where the dude's like, where'd you hear him? When they both go. I have to see it just kind of 7. We'll look for some tracks and move this one.
All right, well, we think we found the spot for the next camera. So the camera used to be right over there in the creek. Look at all these tracks. Gobbler there, hen, gobbler right here, 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 here. They're all over, right next to the tree stand too. So camera's going there. All right, so about 5 o'clock, we're getting ready for dinner. We've got catfish, hush puppies, and waffle fries. This is our cooktop tonight. Big old gallon of canola oil.
First year we went turkey hunting.
Ready?
Yep. You already did that.
That sucker is quick. All right, so we got our catfish here. That's what we're gonna be eating, obviously. Fish fry, Louisiana's. I'm just gonna mix it all up in here. Waffle fries from Sam's, hush puppies, catfish, in that order. Oh God, that is a lot of ice. I don't wanna be the guy to put that down. It's hot, ain't it? Turn the flame down. Just let it go. Let all that water melt off. Yep, no, bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea.
Barely stays out.
Oh my God.
No pain, no gain. There used to be fire. Oh look, no ice.
That's a lot of food for 2 people. Oh, it says 3 minutes. That's what's up. There she is, folks. Review?
Amazing. As always. I dip in ketchup though. It adds to it.
They're real crispy. Dude, we're gonna have the shits tomorrow, but
That's okay.
that's good stuff. I just pick apart the thumbnail photo. The fish is good. This has all the breading on it, that side. But a lot of the pieces, not all of them got breaded correctly. So probably next time, use an egg or buttermilk or something. Pretty dang good. I think it took more time to take the thumbnail than it did to actually cook the food. What are you, catching minnows? There's the aftermath. Delicious. Well, now we're really just gonna hang out. We're gonna go up to the top of the hill, see if we can't hear any birds at sunset, and come back here, sleep, get up super early in the morning, go back up and just listen to see if we can hear any turkeys. Any comments? You're glowing.
Thank you.
We're not gonna be able to hear squat with all this wind. All right, folks. Well, we ended up hearing nothing. we ended up hearing nothing. Did you hear anything?
Some phantom gobbles.
He heard some phantom gobbles. We both heard some phantom gobbles. Tends to happen. You get too excited. But it's about 9 o'clock. We're both getting ready to go to bed. We're getting up at like 5:45 tomorrow for sunrise. And we're going to go listen for turkeys one more time. And then after that, we're going home. But hopefully we hear some turkeys. So we'll catch you in the morning. Good morning. Well, we got up at 5:45 this morning. He stepped outside and it was blowing wind like this. Maybe like 20, 25 miles an hour. So we went back to bed and then we got up just now, like 2 hours after that, and it's still blowing like 25 miles an hour. So no turkeys. We ain't gonna be able to hear anything. Hey bud, did you get your honey bun? All right folks, so that concludes our night at the farm. It was a great time. Although we weren't able to hear many turkeys or any turkeys at all, we did cook up a delicious dinner, and I would highly recommend all of you guys to make some fish and chips in the near future because it was delicious. With that being said, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe because we do these type of camping videos all the time. Well, I appreciate every single one of you watching, and I will catch you in the next one.
Oh, I wasn't recording any of that. I didn't press record.
We're not gonna be able to hear shit. I can't cuss. This is a family-friendly show. That's right.